In this set of exercises, we're going to simplify the algebraic expressions. Often that means we'll be using the distributive property to eliminate some of our parentheses. One thing to remember is if you just have a subtraction sign in front of your parentheses, we also distribute that subtraction sign throughout the parentheses. One way to think of that is as if you're multiplying through the parentheses by a -1. And that will be the case in our first example here. We have 11x minus the quantity 7x minus 4. Well, usually we would start inside the parentheses, but 7x and 4 are unlike terms, so we cannot combine them. So what we need to do is distribute the negative through our problem. So we'll leave 11x, but when we distribute the negative through, it's like -1 times 7x makes this negative 7x. But then we have a negative distributed by a -4, and a negative times a negative will make this positive 4 when we distribute this negative through. So it changes the signs of each thing inside the parentheses to a -7x and a +4. At this point, we're ready to combine like terms. We have 11x minus 7x. We can change that to plus a -7x if we like, but 11x minus 7x, the difference is 4, and the 11 has a larger absolute value, so we have 4x. Now the 4 is the only constant we have. There are no other like terms to combine it with, so it remains just 4, so that our solution is 4x plus 4.